when your problems seem so big, but they're actually really small.
All right, now this is an original thought. Look, they got a rotating table of the exact T-Bird that it's on. Look at that. Huh? Huh? You know, you know I love that. Oh, look at that interior. Look at that. Wow, these are my daughters. Yeah, this is all original dash. Original dash, right? Everything's pretty much original in this Thunderbird, guys. Wow.
The interior is?
The paint's new. The paint's new. The paint's original? 38 years ago? Painted 38 years ago, this Thunderbird. Look at this car. Worthy of video. This is one of the prettiest Thunderbirds that I have seen. And look how long they were. This is when the Cadillacs were long too with their tails. So they did the tails too. And the tails went out all of a sudden, but the time period that they were in, they were doing Art Deco in my opinion. And this is one, look at the white walls, look at the white walls. Absolute necessity with a Thunderbird. Good job, guys. You guys got a beautiful car. Beautiful. All right, excuse the open shirt, guys. Thank you. But it's hotter than Hades. You see this Thunder? Yes, it's true. Yep. You see this Thunderbird, guys? Guess what else they got for $10. Oh! They won this Mustang for $10 ticket. It was here, right?
Yep.
3 years ago?
Yeah, over in the...
And no sales tax and no federal tax on it. It's truly our $10 car.
$10 Mustang, guys. How lucky is he? Not only he got a beautiful Thunderbird, he's got a $10 beautiful Mustang. I'm not jealous, maybe a little. God bless America.
Which buildings have you been in? Where have you been, girls?
We're having a ball out here at the Syracuse Nationals.
I bet this one, that youngest one, knows a lot.
All right, guys, I met a fellow YouTuber here. He just videoed me, so I got to video him. Tell him about yourself.
What's going on, guys? Demon Durango. I just try to get a tour of the culture of car life all across the United States.
Oh, that's cool. Is that what you do?
Yeah, that's what I do. Yeah,
MustangMedics definitely with you on that one.
Nice, cool. I have a Dodge Durango. Warranty's almost up, so the superchargers come in, headers, so on and so forth. But we still use it as a family car. I have an '86 Fox body Mustang.
Yeah, of course you do.
Yeah, so if you guys are into Mustangs, and you're obviously probably somewhat into Mustangs if you're here at the MustangMedic, feel free to get over to my channel, Demon Durango. Check out Misty, that's my baby, 1986 Fox body. And it's a pleasure to be out here with MustangMedic. We ran into each other. Car guys, you just got to smell for the gasoline and you find each other.
Yeah, when you got a guy that's naming his car, you know he's into it.
That's it. That's right.
Hit him up, guys. Give him some love, MustangMedic style. And I'm going to tell him, like he told his viewers, tell him MustangMedic sent you. Thanks. MustangMedic. We're gonna have a good time with people, with cars, and with America. Enjoy. What can I say? Let's go.